Dear students, hope you fine. Today we are going to learn poem 8 in Beehive on Killing a Tree by Give Patel. Children, you must have observed people cutting down trees. But can they kill a tree? Is it easy to do so? Let's read the poem and find out what the poet says on killing a tree. Now I'll read the first stanza. It takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. Jab means to hit something forcefully. Consuming means using fuel, energy, etc. Rise means move up. Crust means upper layer of earth. Absorb means to take something in slowly. Leprous means affected with leprosy. Hide means out of view. Sprout means to produce leaves. The poet is telling man that it is not very easy to kill a tree. A simple jab of the knife will not be adequate to destroy a full-grown tree that has absorbed nutrition from the earth slowly. The tree rises out of the earth and feeds upon its crust. As it grows, through the years it absorbs sunlight, air, and water. The poet is personifying the bark of the tree by calling it a leprous hide. The leaves are seen to be growing on its branches that have several layers of tough and protective shield, also called the bark of the tree. Now I'll read the second stanza. So hack and chop, but this alone won't do it. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature boughs, which if unchecked will expand again to former size. Here hack means cut, chop means cut in pieces, bleed means to lose blood, bark means hard outer covering of tree, heal means to become well again, close means near, expand means to increase in size. The poet says that just hacking and chopping or putting it through a lot of pain is not adequate to kill the tree. After the wicked chopping, the bleeding bark will eventually heal. The poet says that thereafter, from the chopped remains that is close to the earth, small curled new shoots will begin to appear again. He warns man that if this is not checked, it will grow into a big tree back to its former size once again. Now, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied, and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source, white and wet, the most sensitive, hidden for years inside the earth. Here, anchor means hold, entirely means completely, strength means effort, expose means to disclose. The poet says, no, do not let it grow. It has to be uprooted from the earth that is holding it together. He suggests the technique and says, tie up the root with a rope and pull it out of the hollow of the earth fully and completely. When the root is pulled out of the earth, we are introduced to be strongest part of the tree. It is from here that the tree originates. It is moist and white because it is protected by Mother Earth, who has taken care of it. Knowing that this is the most sensitive part of the tree, perhaps that is why it is kept out of sight of the wicked human beings. I will read the last stanza. Then the matter of scorching and choking in sun and air, browning, hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. Matter means situation. Scorching means to burn slightly. Choking means block breath. Hardening means to become hard. Twisting means turn. Wither means to become weak. After the tree is uprooted, it says the next matter to be considered is how to burn it. Dry it up in the sun and air. It then goes through the stages of losing its leisure and becoming brown and lifeless. Its softness and tenderness is replaced by hardness. The unfortunate thing then crumbles and withers away to nothingness. The destruction is complete. Now I will give you extract short answers and long answer. Write these in your English notebook. Question with black pen and answer with blue pen. First I will give you the extract. In poem 8, on killing a tree, give Patel. Read the extract and answer the question. First one, it takes much time to kill a tree. Not a simple jab of the knife will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth. First one, is killing a tree easy? Answer, no. Killing a tree is not easy. Second one, can a jab of knife kill it? No. A jab of knife cannot kill it. Third one, can it be killed within a few hours? Answer, no. It cannot be killed within a few hours. It is very time consuming. Fourth one, how does a tree nourish itself? Answer, it nourishes itself on the nutrients found in the earth. Third extract, slowly consuming the earth, rising out of it. First one, name the poem and the poet of the above lines. Answer, the name of the poem is On Killing a Tree and the poet is Give Patel. Second one, what is the poem about? Answer, the poem is about the destruction of a tree. Third one, explain consuming the earth. Answer, consuming the earth means that the tree has grown by securing food and nourishment from the earth. Fourth one, what is it? Answer, it refers to the interior of the earth. Second extract, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of its leprous hide sprouting leaves. First one, what does a tree need to grow properly? Answer, a tree needs sunlight, water, and air to grow well. Second one, where does it get its food? Answer, it gets its food from the crust of the earth. Third one, what does the phrase leprous hide mean? Answer, the phrase leprous hide means disfigured or irregular bark of a tree. Fourth one, how is the hide useful for other parts of it? Answer, leaves and branches sprout out of it. Fourth extract, so hack and chop, but this alone won't do it, not so much pain will do it. First one, what alone cannot kill a tree? Answer, the hacking of a knife or an axe or chopping of a bough cannot kill a tree. Second one, what can the hack of an axe do to a tree? Answer, the hack of an axe may inflict pain on the tree. Third one, can the pain of the hacking and chopping kill it? Answer, no. The pain of the hacking and chopping is not enough to kill it. Fourth one, name the poem and the poet. Answer, the poem is on killing a tree and its poet is Giv Patel. Fifth extract, miniature bows which if unchecked will expand again to former size. First one, what is a bough? Answer, bough refers to the branches of a tree. Second one, what does the poet mean by unchecked? Answer, unchecked means he is telling man not to ignore the small twigs that grow out of the stub of the chopped tree. Third one, what will expand again? Answer, the unchecked twigs will grow and expand into its original size. Fourth one, what is the poet telling man? Answer, the poet is telling the inconsiderate human being not to do an incomplete job. He is warning them of the possibility of the tree growing back if the sprouting shoots are not destroyed totally. Sixth extract, no, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. First one, who is saying these words? Answer, these are the words of warning made by the poet. Second one, why does the poet say no? Answer, the poet says no to emphasize the need for controlling the regrowth of the tree. Third one, from where has the root to be pulled out? Answer, the root has to be pulled out from under the earth. Fourth one, what is the earth anchoring? Answer, the earth is anchoring the root of the tree. Roman letter 2 short answer questions. First one, can a simple jab of the knife kill a tree? Why not? Answer, no. A simple jab of a knife does not have the ability to kill the tree. It has to go through various processes. If its root is not removed from the earth, it will sprout again. Second one, how has the tree grown to its full size? List the words suggestive of its life and activity. Answer, the tree consumes the earth and rises out of it, feeding upon its crust. It absorbs years of sunlight, air and water. Third question, what is the meaning of bleeding bark? What makes it bleed? Answer, bleeding bark means the twigs which are cut mercilessly. They have a liquid substance. If any part of the human body is cut, it starts bleeding. In the same way, the liquid substance comes out from the branch of a tree. The human being's axe makes it bleed. Fourth one, the poet says no in the beginning of the third stanza. What does he mean by this? Answer, no is used to emphasize the perspective that chopping or hacking will not be sufficient for killing a tree. Fifth question. What is the meaning of anchoring the earth and earth cave? Answer. It means that the earth protects it like a mother. Earth cave implies a hole inside it. The tree allows its root to spread underneath. The earth protects it and fosters it. It provides all the essential ingredients to the tree. Sixth question. What does he mean by the strength of the tree exposed? Answer. The stem or root is the strength of a tree. When the tree is pulled out, its strength is exposed. Seventh question. What finally kills a tree? Answer. Pulling out the tree from the mother earth and scorching and choking it in the sun and air kill the tree. It becomes brown, dry and gets hard. Eventually it dies. Third Roman letter long answer. First one. What does the poet try to express in the poem on killing a tree? Answer. The poet G. Patel has presented a very beautiful yet ironical poem on killing a tree. He starts the poem with an ironical statement. It takes much time and strength to kill a tree. Then he explains the process of a tree's growth. It grows slowly and rises out of the earth by absorbing years of sunlight, air and water. So, it is not easy to kill a tree with a single stroke of a knife. One may cut the trunk of a tree and all its branches, but the root continues to keep it alive. The tree has deep roots which draws its sap from the earth. It gives rise to tiny twigs and miniature boughs and grow back to its normal size. The source of the tree is its roots, which is white and wet. The secret of its strength is that it is hidden inside the earth for years together. Thus, to kill a tree, it has to be uprooted, scorched and choked in the sun. After uprooting, the roots are to be exposed to the sunlight till they dry and become brown. Then it stops breathing. It becomes hardened, twisted and brown. With this, let me conclude today's session. Thank you very much.